Don't get it twisted. Huh. Manoa Falls. What's good? 3:25 in the afternoon. Kevin's running. Thinks he's got it like that.
Yeah, he does.
As he gets hit by a car coming around the corner. Siobhan representing whatever towel country is supposed to be. Samoa. Yeah. I don't know. Look at, if the wiener dog can do it, you can do it.
Oh, and he swam.
And he swam, see? And he swam. Yeah, Kevin, I'm not taking any pictures, but I'll take one for you.
Oh, fuck you.
Go ahead, do your little pose. That's my signature pose, butthole. Anyways, Siobhan, what's your signature pose?
I don't have a single.
Ooh, Siobhan.
Take it, take it.
All right, ready? Yeah, take it like a champ. Mm-hmm. Take it on the rail.
On the rail?
No, no, no.
Not on it.
Come on, boy.
Fall
No falls. Gangster. Oh, mud. Yeah, buddy. Whoa.
Yeah, boy.
We're in the Manoa Falls meadow. Fantastic.
What's up with the climate change, bro?
It happens. I'm sunburned already. Fuck. Go, Kevin. Get on top of that tree limb.
Is that connected to a tree?
No.
Ah, hit the pistol squad on him.
I can't do that for real. You know my legs are strong. I can't do it.
Huh?
I can't do that for real. Namaste. Even though we missed it like 30 seconds ago, you falling in the water.
Form, baby.
Form. Siobhan, boring. Let's take a picture of you way up yonder. Hello. All right. Let's roll out.
Fuck,
All right, you first, so I can watch you fall. You aren't used to the rock climbing, are you?
Nope.
That's all right. That's why I want you to go first, so I can watch you fall.
Nice.
Come on, be reckless. Go, 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 Kevin. Damn it, you're supposed to fall. Kevin. Fuck you too, buddy. Fuck you too. Fuck you, buddy.
Nazi on the low.
Hey, son of a bitch.
Hitler's nephew.
Hey, this is going on YouTube.
Donald Trump's son.
Hey, show some respect. I'm white. I can't even crack black people jokes. It's just inappropriate. It's not fair.
Crack this. Nazi.
Siobhan going hard in the flip-flops. And the summer dress.
Hard in the paint. I kind of want to stay right here with her.
Jungle.
Squat the forest.
Shoulder press.
Ah!
Wait. You're supposed to shoulder press it like I did.
Shoulder pressing.
Yeah, I shoulder pressed the whole thing.
Shoulder
You ain't
pressing.
gonna be able to do it. I lied. I didn't do it. Okay, go. Shoulder press it. Yeah, I totally did that. See, you didn't do that. Slowly but surely.
She's tired.
She creeping along.
Beast though, doing this shit in flip flops.
That is pretty savage.
Beast mode.
The only thing more savage is doing it on your hands and knees. I've seen women do it like that, and it's a mess. It's a mess. Ooh, Manoa Falls, I missed you. It's been about a week or two. What's up, guys? Yeah. Siobhan, it's glorious. Look at it. Oh, that is so pretty.
What is it?
It's called a waterfall, Kevin.
Oh, nice.
Yeah. It's called a waterfall, Kevin. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Come here. Come here. Come here. I'll squish your little head, Kevin. I don't like it. Reactions? Commentary? Nothing? Reactions?
It's gorgeous.
Oh yeah.
Oh shit.
Totally worth the 25 minutes it took to hike here.
Oh my god,
Yes.
I should go travel
And your
with white
dirty,
people
nasty ass
And
feet. Ew.
on the back.
more. I want to travel with white people more often.
White people do be traveling.
You good now?
Kevin's taking way too long to get here. Hey. Whoa. Can you drink it? Yeah, but you'll probably get sick. Idiot. I got you on camera. Stop being a bitch.
Fuck you, nigga.
Word, can't even get to me on these rocks. Go in, all the way. Waterfall. Yeah. Ooh, come on.
I might have to be a bitch.
Let's go. Yeah.
Oh, they gonna use me as a test run. Serious. And then he's like, go ahead. You go first.
Because you're black. Come on, Kevin. Balls deep. Go. Let's go, Kev. Let's go, Kev. Let's go, Kevin. Come on, Kevin Hart.
It's so cold, bro.
I know. Just go. Take off your shirt. Be a man. You're already there.
Alright, I'm in. Take a picture.
What?
Fine.
No. I'm videotaping the whole time.
Oh, come on, bro.
Get down in there, bro.
Oh, hell no.
Look at it.
Nope. Look all that. Oh, that's just.
Some balls. After he watched the girl do it, that's when he decided to do it. That's disappointing, Kevin. Hey, good job, though. Manoa Falls, second waterfall. Leg workouts.
Like work?
Alright. Here we go.
How big is these? How big is these?
About to go up there. That tree. This is what I was talking about. Like how the vines go down. How dope is that? Let's do it. You don't get to hike. And the waterfall. Kevin, we just came up on a bunch of naked peoples.
Yes, we did. Are you taking a video?
Yeah, video.
Nigga, look at this. Look at it.
There's a bunch of trees in the way. They can't see it. But I'm sure they'll take your word for it. It's awesome. This is documentary stuff, yo. Palipuka hike. Not happening. So we're gonna go secret waterfall on that ass.
Actually, wrong.
I'm getting dizzy, yo.
You ever seen we have Siobhan with us, right? So we can't really climb like fuck.
Lost Siobhan. We already lost Siobhan. The weather became unstable. We still got Kevin. Don't got your hat.
What's happening? It's all good. I don't need a hat.
What's happening?
Yeah, so check it out. Hold on. Give me back on. So, me and Jeremy wants me to cross this sign that says "No, do not cross."
You don't get it. That's for tourists. We locals, we know. Do not enter means only for locals. Fuck the tourists. Duh.
It's cold as fuck out here
It
too.
is kind of cold for Hawaii.
Yes,
I think
it
my
is.
nipples
It's
are kind of
smoky
hard.
cold.
Tarzan? Me, Tarzan, you Jane, bitch. Here we go. Double waterfall. It is on fire.
Yo, let's keep moving before I get a spider on me.
Ain't no spiders out here. Well, not really. I got my new shoes on, but they ain't handling the wet surfaces just too well. Anyways, good stuff. We're almost there. Waterfall. Got it. Don't stop. Get it. Get it. What the hell was that? There's a frog, yo.
What is that?
There's a frog. I'm gonna get this waterfall behind you. Stay right there. Hella frogs up in this thing. Alright. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Got it. 1, 2, 3. Alright, cool beans, yo. Oh shit! Waterfalls for days. Oh damn, waterfall. You got another one over here? Double waterfalls? What do you know about that?
Double waterfall.
Double waterfall. And I'm about to fall, so I'm gonna turn off this phone. What it is about these last few days, but Mother Nature has not been cooperative at all. So no thank you, Mother Nature. Look at our view. Devastating.
Yeah, look at our view off this cliff. Yeah. One wrong move. Yeah.
He doesn't even know yet how close we're gonna come off to falling off this cliff yet.
Nice. Nice. Thanks, Joe.
Has no idea. Look up. What up?
Crazy ass white boy. At least I'm facing my fears of heights. Okay, keep on going.
The Polypuka wasn't exactly the way we wanted it to be. Look back. Look back.
Take this one.
I did. I already got it. Okay, now go sit down in the hole. Hurry up, man. Alright, 1, 2, 3. Alright, hang on, stay there. I'm coming out. One, 2, 3. Alright.